in your timeline, go to the first frame you want to have as the first frame of your final output, and press the I key, which will create an endpoint in the timeline. Then, go to the section of the timeline that you want to have as the end of your final output, and press the O key to create an outpoint. Then, go to File, Export, Media, or press the keyboard shortcut Command M on a Mac or Control M on the Windows computer. The export settings will appear and change the range to source, in, and out. And then go to the Format tab and pick the format to your liking. I'm going to change the format to H.264, which is the codec for MP4s. Then in the Preset tab, go down to More Presets. The Preset Manager window will appear, and in the search bar, type in High Bitrate and select Match Source High Bitrate. Then press OK. Choose your location where you want this file to be exported to. I'm going to send this to my Downloads folder. Press Export, then the Export tab will appear, and when your media has exported, it will appear in your desired location. Like and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tutorials, and I'll see you on the next one.